Do you have PowerPoint slides and want to quickly turn them into a great Prezi presentation? Prezi AI can help you with that in no time. Simply upload your PPT file, and Prezi AI will automatically turn it into a structured, editable presentation. To get started, click Start with PPTX, PDF, or DOCX file from your Prezi dashboard. Upload your file from your computer. Make sure it contains text. Prezi AI uses it to build your presentation. Once it loads, you'll see all extracted text. Click Create Outline. Now you can review, edit, or reorder your main talking points. Select Create Presentation to let Prezi AI generate your unique design. Use the arrows at the bottom of the canvas to preview your content. You can switch colors, search different designs, or create new color palettes using the Stars button. If you want to make big changes, click Recreate your presentation for a new version. When you're happy with it, click Go to the editor to further customize, add notes, present, or share. Try uploading your PowerPoint slides today and transform it into a dynamic AI-powered Prezi presentation in minutes. Hit subscribe for tips to create more dynamic and engaging presentations.